Hello students, today we will discuss perioperative arrhythmia, that is ventricular tachycardia. The presence of three or more sequential VP beats, ventricular premature beats, defines ventricular tachycardia. The diagnostic criteria include presence of fusion beats, capture beats and AV dissociation. The specific morphologic appearance of the QRS complex may also be helpful in distinguishing ventricular tachycardia from other arrhythmias. The ventricular tachycardia is classified by its duration and morphology. In duration, non-sustained ventricular tachycardia lasts 3 beats and up to 30 seconds, and sustained ventricular tachycardia lasts 30 seconds or longer. With monomorphic morphology, all complexes have the same pattern, and with polymorphic morphology, complexes constantly changes pattern or constantly change in the patterns. Polymorphic VT with long QTC is also called torsades de pointes. This is the ECG showing paroxysmal non-sustained ventricular tachycardia. Now we will see the characteristics of ventricular tachycardia VT. Now we will see about the heart rate. Heart rate will range from 100 to 200 beats per minute. The rhythm generally irregular. Generally regular, but may be irregular if VT is paroxysmal. Then P is to QRS ratio. Usually there is no fixed relationship because VT is a form of AV dissociation in which P wave can be seen marching through the QRS complex. Then we will see about the QRS complex. QRS complex is wide, more than 0.12 second in the width, with similar morphologic criteria in lead V1 as for VPB. Then we will see the significance of ventricular tachycardia. The significance: acute onset is life-threatening and requires immediate management. Then the treatment: if patient is hemodynamically stable, amiodarone is administered as one or more intravenous doses of 150 mg in 100 ml of saline or D5 5% dextrose in water over a period of 10 minutes, and it is followed by intravenous infusion of 1 mg per minute for 6 hours and 0.5 mg per minute thereafter is recommended. The current treatment maximum intravenous dose of amiodarone is 2.2 gram per 24 hours. Although the amiodarone is associated with substantially less hypotension than Britaglium and hypotension and bradycardia are the main side effects of amiodarone. The amiodarone's pharmacological effects persist for more than 45 days. The lignocaine and procainamide have been used in the past with varying degrees of success to treat the ventricular tachycardia. Then synchronized cardioversion is indicated as non-pharmacological intervention in any wide complexes tachycardia, whether monomorphic VT or wide complex SVT. The polymorphic VT with normal QT interval is treated with amiodarone and cardioversion. Metabolic abnormalities and drug toxicity must be considered and treated. Polymorphic VT with prolonged QT interval is more serious rhythm disturbance, and the recommended current treatment is an intravenous infusion of 1 gram of magnesium It is administered over 2 to 3 minutes period. The precipitating metabolic or toxic causes should be treated. Overdrive pacing may also be useful in this setting. Thank you.